Welcome to our next episode of Creating the Supply Chain of Tomorrow. As promised in the last video, we'll be talking about valuable sensors and tracking analytics here in our retail corner in the Panasonic campus Munich today.
Our store here is equipped with cameras and sensors to provide insights into customer behavior and store operations. The analytics include age, gender, heat mapping, people counting, and face detection. This information can be analyzed and used to optimize the shop floor, identifying hotspots that require better flow management, locating areas for promotional activity, and allocating staff where they are truly needed. Shop owners will also be able to adjust their merchandising fees, promotional location, and advertising based on key shelf location reflected by the accurate data. One of the hottest areas in retail technology is the ability to provide more insight on the behavior of shoppers to help store managers enhance the retail experience. Special infrared sensors, called Panasonic Grid Eye, are used to track customer movements around the store anonymously and GDPR conform. This solution can provide an array of useful information that can be used to optimize the store layout. For example, the direction customers typically move through the store and the hotspots where they linger. The Grid Eye sensor works in tandem with software to identify the number and position of people based on their body temperature, outputting a thermal dart image, and recognizes where appropriate distancing or density is or isn't maintained. The software can be used on a Toughbook tablet device, for example. These solutions can be used in conjunction with the latest AI-enabled cameras, which alongside security, can also count the number of people in store and monitor the shelves to ensure goods are always in stock, all whilst meeting strict GDPR regulations on privacy. More than 14 attributes can be automatically detected, for example, identifying a bag color in a theft scenario. When identifying people, the AI app can reliably identify those wearing masks, hats, sunglasses, or beards.
So, we hope that you're on track with the latest solutions to get all the information and analytics that you need for your store. Stay tuned about software and edge technology in our next episode. See you soon.